Most on-chain apps still rely on a lot of centralized services. That creates single points of failure and puts critical logic outside developers' control. Sui replaces those missing pieces with a full stack of decentralized infrastructure. Walrus, for fast, verifiable on-chain storage. SuiNS, for making people and apps easy to find. Seal, for setting and enforcing access rules. Nautilus, for secure off-chain compute with on-chain trust. DeepBook, for matching trades and powering decentralized finance. And Sui, for coordinating all these services with speed and security at scale. Together, these capabilities open the spectrum of the apps builders can make, from social platforms and encrypted communication to games with verifiable on-chain logic. No intermediaries to trust, just code, deployed end-to-end on Sui. It's the full stack, reimagined for decentralization. Get started on Sui.